The question I just got asked is why am I not getting an email option for recovering my Google account? The person said they're getting a phone option, but they're not getting an email option. I've done some videos where I went in depth on how to protect your Google account. I'm going to use this video just to show you the very basics of setting up the recovery features on your Google account or your Gmail. So if you're logged into Gmail and you go over here to the right where either your photo is or your initial is, you'll manage your Google account. Click on manage your Google account. Now, once you're in here, if you go down to, I believe it's security, under security, you will see that you have how you sign into Google. It gives you all of these options. Well, it gives you what you've set up, but if you haven't set them up, they're not going to be there. Example, I have two-step verification turned on. I updated my password last August. Skip password when possible. I had that on my mobile devices where I have facial recognition. Then I have two-step verification phones. I've added 2 phones to my Google account so that I can do two-step verifications by those phone numbers. I've also set up a recovery phone number and I've set up a recovery email address. And lastly, I made a copy of my backup codes in the event that I have a problem getting to my two-step verification. This is critical. This is how you protect your Google account to make sure that you can get into it if you've forgotten your password. And furthermore, to be very clear about this is critical. If you set up a recovery phone number, don't lose the phone number. You can lose the phone, but go get a new phone and put that phone number on it. Or if you're going to change your phone number, change your recovery phone number here before you change your personal phone number or your business phone number. Additionally, protect your recovery email address just as much as you're protecting your primary email address, because you don't want to lose your recovery email address, just like you don't want to lose your recovery phone number, so you don't lose your primary Google account. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace strategist and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.